Yo, larger birds are smart, bro. This sneaky motherfucker looking around. He see a box of food and some produce. I walked past, he flew away, then came back, and he's still scoping and peeking. Look at this motherfucker. You hear me talking. I don't know that's a seagull or what. That nigga's smart. Look at him. He wait, look at him. He waiting his chance. He about to get it. He about to get it. Look at him, look at him. Look at him, look at him, look at him. He about to get it. This sneaky motherfucker. This LA, by the way. Century in Manchester, excuse me. Western and Century. This sneaky ass smart bird right here, bro. Get About to get him a dinner roll. I don't know whose stuff this is, but the birds done got it. I walked out, that motherfucker was looking around, he flew away, then came back like 30 seconds later. Took him about motherfucking 2 minutes to get the bread. Look at him. Doing like some sweet rolls too. Ooh, yeah. A thief in action. Whoever came up with the term bird brain, they must have been talking about pigeons. These larger birds are smart. They smarter than a motherfucker. Go figure.